Right, we're going to measure a barrel. Tools, tape, barrel sheet, straight edge, most importantly a pen. Alright, first step, come around here Les, you've got to get yourself against the flange, make it straight, measure that dimension from there to there, about 130. That's what we call the G dimension. There. Next step we go to the C dimensions. If you can try and find that weld, that's the straightest. Center of the weld there, that'll be 875. Then we go to the next section, which is the center straight. You can get that center of the weld, the center of the weld. You can see that dimension, it's about 1390. Next one, you need to measure from the inside of the track ring to the center of the weld. It's about 1170. And the next step, you have to measure from the back of the track ring, inside of the spill ring if you can. Just like so. Once you've got all those dimensions, we'll then measure the circumference of the barrel, which we've got to turn it on. I'll just go and turn him on. Right, I'm going to measure the circumference of the barrel. So we're going to, I need a magnet and a flexi tape. So and keep the barrel in mix. Right, so, and then just go all the way around. Best to go slow. If you've done it a few times, you can speed it up a bit. Slow it down when it gets close. And stop. So you can see you've got an accurate measurement of that, 7 metres, 2.1. There you go. That's critical when you get a circumference. All right. Now that we've got the circumference of the barrel, you just got to make a mental note how close you are to the mixer chassis rail. All right, because if you haven't measured the circumference, the barrel could come too wide. When they fill up, they can touch the chassis rail and ruin the barrel. We don't want that. All right, so it's critical to notice how far a distance you have in here. Like that's plenty. We're looking at about 40 mil. That's plenty. If your barrel that you're measuring already has that distance, you got nothing to worry about. And that's how you measure a barrel.